Welcome. We are Crypto for Joe, cryptocurrency and blockchain ideas for your average Joe. And I am your average Joe, Joe Sixpack, the beverage, not the abs, sadly. And today we'll be talking with Cayman Nava. Let's talk about what the average Joe can do with his money. Right? Say I got $1,000, which is a lot for your average Joe, but that's my investment money. Go and take me from conservative through, where what I can do with $1,000 right now.
Right. Well, if it's an average Joe who doesn't know a lot about cryptocurrency, I would say you want to stay very conservative with what you're doing because, in general, the cryptocurrency space is still very new. It's still very much like a wild west. And if you're not careful, you'll be taken for a ride. So you get onto these like extremes. You get into the exotic, esoteric sorts of investments. You really have to know what you're doing in order to participate there, because it's very difficult sometimes to differentiate a scam from, a project that really is maybe the next thing, or, something that you can really profit off of. So with that in mind, what I would say, people should really stick towards the larger cryptocurrencies. And so what that means for me, I would say right now is stick with Bitcoin, stick with Ethereum. Maybe a 50-50 split even between those, if you're, feeling like it, or just, one or the other. That you can't really go wrong with those.
Yeah. So you're feeling like, but again, like I said, take a case of $1,000. Yeah. To me, Ether has the ability to grow, let's say, maybe 10 times in like 4 to 5 years. That's mind-boggling because, rich people will kiss you for 50% on their money. But we're talking about growing 10 times. That's where it has to be a scam, because it's not a scam, but I don't blame anybody who says that as a knee-jerk reaction, because it's just unheard of. Do you think Bitcoin will grow has a potential to grow 10 times in the same space of time?
Yeah, I think it does.
Okay. Wow.
Wow. I mean, so I'm an Ethereum developer, so I definitely am more bullish on Ethereum and the use cases that it holds, and I think that ultimately may be more valuable. But I don't see Bitcoin going away anytime soon, and there's a lot of growth that can happen on both sides.
Okay, we'll wrap it up here. Thank you for your time, sir.